In a busy metropolis like Hong Kong, the amount of vehicles have been increased rapidly in recent years. However, the transportation system haven't been upgraded too much. To tackle the existing transportation problems, our group have designed an innovative project on the topic Smart Transportation System, which includes a smart street lighting and parking, as well as an improved traffic light system. We believe that our design can have a profound effect on the society and to provide road users and improve the driving experience.
Oliver has dated his girlfriend for tea in Jordan at 3 o'clock. He's driving along Jordan Road. He wants to find a car parking space nearby. So he checked the car parking website and found some empty parking spaces in Parkers Street. So he turned left into the street and parked his car. And then he noticed that the lights next to him lightened up, and the website is updated. Then he goes to have tea with his girlfriend happily.
King have just left his office in Jordan and going back home in Mongkok. He used to drive through Parker Street, but he faced a traffic jam at Jordan Road. He waited at the Parker Street crossing and felt impatient. Then he noticed that it's a faster way to go forward through Leighton's Road. Therefore, King changed his path to avoid the traffic jam. At last, he went home safely and swiftly.
I'm King from Computer Engineering. I'm a Year 4 student. In this project, I'm in charge of the camera and computer vision and the networking system. In the traffic monitoring system, camera is used to take pictures at the road condition, and then this picture is used in OpenCV for processing into a street cloudiness indicator represented by a percentage of the road occupied by cars. This information is then passed to a time series server and stored for analysis, which is displayed on the web dashboard and is used by other applications for decision making, such as influencing the light level of street lamps and the traffic light condition at period intervals. The overall network architecture of the system uses Wi-Fi as a communication medium. Modules based on ESP8266 is used to communicate between a Arduino devices and a Raspberry Pi application server. The application layer protocol used is MQTT that allows transfer of IoT and information, mostly used for data acquisition devices, very suitable for the application of this project.
I'm Wu Yu, studying electrical engineering, Year 3 student. I'm in charge of traffic light control system. This is the traffic light control system, and this is traffic light and the traffic light for the car and also the traffic light for the pedestrian. So you can see that my traffic light system is based on the state machines. There are 4 stages, which is implemented in order 1, 2, 3, and 4. However, stage 4 is not always implemented. It depends on the temperature sensors. Here, if there is someone waiting for crossing the road, and this spot will be hot, and the temperature sensor will sense it and send the signal back to the Arduino, and then we'll activate the stage 4, which is the green for the traffic light for pedestrian, and then the pedestrian can cross the light. The first 3 stages are always implemented in order. However, the time duration will be different in different stage and in different times. This depends on the camera, which is connected to the Wi-Fi. I will have the information of how much percentage of the row is occupied, and then control the duration of each stage. And this is the timer showing that the time duration of each stage.
I'm Sigawai from Electrical Engineering, Year 3. I'm responsible for the smart street lighting system. In the smart street lighting system, the light has two operation modes, which is sleeping mode and the standby mode. During the sleeping mode, the light will be dimmer. Here will be an infrared sensor to detect the object. When the car is across the road, the infrared sensor will be activated. It will give signal to the Arduino, then the light intensity will be increased by PWM function. Also, there is another sensor to control the light intensity. This one is the light sensor. If the total light intensity is too low, the light intensity will be modified to a certain level. Here is the block diagram showing the algorithm of the system. The infrared sensor gives input to the Arduino maker. Then, the Arduino will control the light intensity by PWM function. Also, the system is connected to our network through Wi-Fi. Our website interface will show the current light level and the situation of infrared sensor to know whether a car crosses or not.
I'm Yan Cho Kim. I'm a Year 3 student studying electrical engineering. In this project, I'm responsible for the smart car parking system and the board design. Here is the interface of the street parking system. Here, you can see that the three parking spaces. The first one is used while the second one and the third one is free. Here are the free parking spaces. When a car is occupying parking space number 3, the light lights up. And in the interface, it shows that parking space 3 is used. This is the block diagram of the car parking system. When a car occupies a space, a signal is sent to the car and it reflects back to the ultrasonic sensor. And through the Arduino, it will send a signal to the light lamp and the lamp will light up. And at the same time, it will also send a signal to the Wi-Fi, and hence the website can update the information and show that the space is occupied.